Get $25 off your next purchase of Armor Shield 9 using promo code Cali25. Link in video's description.
Okay guys, so it's kind of raining, that's why I didn't work today. So today I'm gonna remove the 26s, put the stocks back on, and see if I could get them painted. I'm gonna try to paint it black today. I was gonna use normal black paint, but I found this epoxy paint, and but supposedly it's better, it lasts a lot more, and especially for the rims. Although if you're gonna curve them, then you know whatever you put on them is gonna scrape off. But epoxy paint, that's what I'm gonna be using. It's gonna be the gloss black one, because they have a flat one too. So hopefully this will turn those black. I'm also gonna do the grill, but I was gonna do first the whole grill and just leave this strip. But then I saw another Navigator on the freeway that had a billet grill. It wasn't the stock, but I'm gonna try to make this mimic that. So I'm gonna black these first, all the ones that are going down. I'm gonna black them out and just leave the strips that go from one side to another. I'm gonna leave those chrome and black the rest. I'm gonna leave that one chrome too, and the logo, the emblem, or whatever that thing's called. And maybe the bottom too. I'm all gonna do the ones that go down too first, to see how that looks. If I don't like it, then I'm just gonna go ahead and black the whole thing out and just leave this one and the emblem. Why I'm gonna leave this one? Because this one goes into the glass, see? So if I black this thing out, then probably this will look funny, or probably won't, I don't know. But I don't want to go ahead and black the whole thing out at once, because I want to go step by step, like little by little. That way maybe it'll look better. I just don't like too much chrome. And on the sides, those panels, I'm gonna black the whole thing out. So yeah, let me start removing the rims. So we got one. Still got 3 more to go. I'm not gonna record that. I don't want to bore you with that thing, but okay guys, as you can see, go ahead and do those. I got the 26s off, so I'm gonna start with that one. I got some steel wool. I'm just gonna remove all the whatever this white stuff is. It'll come off easy, but I'm just gonna scrub it with this thing. Supposedly the paint doesn't need to be primed or anything else. Oh, sorry, got the wrong one. They look alike though. Here they are. Here it is. So it says self-priming, all-weather, rust and salt resistant. So I'm just gonna, like I said, try to mimic a sandpaper with the steel wool, just to clean it off, and then start spraying it. I washed it off now, rinsed it, and I'm gonna let it dry and then start spraying it. Supposedly, like I said, the paint doesn't, the epoxy paint doesn't need that much of a sanding or stuff like that, a primer. So I'm gonna try it the way it is and see what it looks like, and then do the other ones. Okay guys, as you can see, I got this one pretty much clean. I'm gonna switch it to the back side dry these out a bit, and most likely I'm gonna start spraying it right here on the back side, so I don't want to learn on the front side of the rim. So I'm gonna get all these, dry all these moisture, and I'm really not that concerned about this back. That won't be seen, and after a while that'll go dirty and turn it black anyways. So I'm gonna find a different place to spray it. I don't want to spray the other stuff. Guys, this thing actually smells like epoxy, like the actual epoxy glue. I don't know if you guys had a chance to mix one of these epoxy syringes, but it smells just like this stuff. Okay, this is completely dry. I'm gonna hop on the front side, but I'm gonna wipe it down one more time with alcohol. There it is. Okay guys, we're gonna call that the first coat. We're gonna let it dry for 10-15 minutes and then hit it one more time, and then dry another 10-15 minutes and hit it with the heavier coat, which will be the last one, and then let it dry and hop to the next one. Okay guys, so we just gave it the second coat. You can see we're gonna let it dry now, and I'm gonna start cleaning the rest of the rims. I won't show you that because you already saw me cleaning that one. Okay guys, as you can see, I have the rims black. Now I'm gonna do the front grille and that one, bottom too. So like I said, I'm doing the front grille. Gotta tape it off. You gotta tape off whatever you're gonna want to leave. In this case, I'm gonna leave the whole trim around it chrome. Everything else is gonna be black, and the logo is gonna be chrome. I was gonna leave this first, but then I was like, nah, I'm just gonna go ahead and paint it black. I'm gonna do the same thing with this. I'm gonna put everything black and leave the trim chrome. So for this, I will be using, I already did some alcohol. I did some alcohol. I have the alcohol right here. This, I cleaned it off with alcohol. It's dried. I'm gonna use some adhesion promoter, and then I'm gonna do the paint. So let's do this. Okay, there it is. I kinda not liking it. Most likely I'm gonna end up painting all the trim black also. I don't like that trim. I don't like the black, the chrome end emblem. I don't like none of it. I'm gonna just go ahead and black everything out. Well, tell me what you guys think. See, like I said, I don't like it. I don't like it. The paint came out evenly. Looks okay. But that trim that I left, I don't like it. Looks kind of, I don't know. And that bottom one either. So I'm gonna go ahead and paint them and then install the rims. Okay, one more time. I did everything all over, covered what I had to cover, and this is the end result. I like it much better. Let me know what you guys think. Is this thing better or was it better before? Okay, so that's completely dried, and honestly I like it way better. Way better. You see that gloss? I haven't even added clear on it. Most likely I will. I don't know if the clear sticks to the epoxy paint, but I don't know. I'm gonna install the rims now. Next thing to do is that. Also, I'm gonna black that thing out. I don't know about the mirrors. Most likely I will black those out too. But for now I'm gonna reinstall my rims back on. Okay guys, so I just finished installing the rims. You can't really tell, but it's kind of dark. But tomorrow you'll get to see them better. But the way it is, guys, let me know what you guys think. I like it better. I like it a lot better. I still need to black out that trim, that panel I mean, and maybe the mirrors too. That's it, and that's all. That's about it. I would want to lower it. I don't think I'll get that far on the truck though. By lowering it, I am gonna get rid of it as soon as I'm done blacking that out, and give it a wash and get rid of it. You can't see the rims at all. But yeah, that's it. Let me know what you guys think so far, and see you guys in the next one, or maybe tomorrow, so I can show you guys the truck. Maybe I won't show it to you. I gotta black that first and then show it to you. So yeah, that's it guys.
Get $25 off your next purchase of Armor Shield 9 using promo code Cali25. Link in video's description.